It's snowing on Stanleytown Hill. And it's getting pick up. It's about the biggest it's been all morning. But it's beginning to snow. So we better watch out. If it keeps going like that, it's gonna get deep in a few minutes. Look at it out there. Oh man. Just like that, it started snowing real hard. And up on Stanleytown Hill, everybody else getting anything or not, but we getting in on Stanleytown Hill. Birds over there trying to eat a little bit. I put them some food out this morning. Look at them. Look at the little bird. I don't want them to get starved to death when it's snowing like this. Look at it. It's coming on down out here now. We like to get at least two foot like this. At least. Just look at the snow. And here's that cat wants out here. I ain't gonna let her out. I can't even come outside unless she wants me to come back in. I'm gonna leave her in there. Just look at this. It's snowing, y'all. Snowing on Stanleytown Hill. All right. Oh, it's coming down now out here. Almost got a whiteout. Just look out here. Boys, snows like this a while longer, we're gonna have it. It's gonna get deep. It's really coming down out here now. Birds coming in, feeding. Well, they started to leave. But just look out there at the snow. Yeah. It's getting more potent now up here on Stanleytown Hill. Come on, birdie, you can eat. I don't care. There you go. Yeah, it's almost a whiteout out here. My goodness. Gracious alive.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please help us grow our channel by hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave us a comment. And remember, subscribing is free to you. God bless you.